This is my coffee roaster. It is a Whirley popcorn popper that has been mounted inside of a old pressure cooker that I purchased from Goodwill. The purpose of that is the pressure cooker is very heavy aluminum and it distributes the heat really nice to the Whirley pop. When I just used the Whirley pop on its own, I used to get some hot spots and it would cause some inconsistent roasting. As you can see, I have a thermometer or a temperature gauge mounted in here, and we'll undo this thing. You can see there's 3 bolts where the Whirley pop is mounted inside the pressure cooker. This here I'm showing you, I mounted the thermometer with a cable clamp or cable tie, and then this wire is the stirring mechanism of the Whirley pop. So this is the cooling apparatus setup. As you can see, we've just got a simple milk crate. On top of that we have a box fan. On top of that we have the wire mesh strainer. That'll give us good airflow to cool the coffee when it's done roasting. This is the coffee we're roasting today. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce the name of it there. Ethiopian coffees are my favorite, specifically the ones that are natural process or pulp process. What that means is when the coffee is harvested, it is a fruit. It's like a cherry that is picked off of a plant. They allow the fruit to stay on the seed or the bean and let it dry and ferment, and it creates some fruity notes, some winey notes, and those are my favorite kinds of coffee. This particular one, it says, is best at a city to a full city roast. So that's a pretty dark roast, but not a French roast or an Italian roast. We've been preheating this, and we're just about up to temperature. When this gauge reads between 475 and 500, I'll drop in the coffee beans. I'm going to call that 475 to 500. Stirring this so you can see what it looks like with the lid open. Most of the roasting will be done with the lid shut. We just continually stir all the time we're roasting to keep the coffee moving so it doesn't burn. We've been stirring away here for approximately 5 minutes. Hopefully you can hear that soft popping and crackling noise. That is what we call first crack. Most coffee that you consume is roasted through the first crack and into what is called the second crack. You can see how the color is starting to develop. We're cracking very steady now. It's been cracking for approximately a minute, so it should be getting close. Right now the color is approximately that of Starbucks blonde roast. We're going to keep going. Sometimes when I'm getting near the end of the roast, I'll roast with it open so I can monitor the color closely. Other times I do it strictly by time, by setting a timer. Some people can do this all by sound as well. We're there. So we've got this completely cooled now. You can see it's very shiny. That's from the oils of the coffee coming to the surface. This would be a full city roast.